Hello guys, today we are make Dai Mini Solar Vibration Motor Kit. Material required: solar panel, vibration motor, switch, push connector. Let's start to make our circuit. Step 1. Solar panel and push connector. The red wire of the solar panel connect to T6 terminal and black wire connect to T5 terminal. Step 2. Vibration motor. The red wire of the vibration motor connect to T4 terminal and black wire connect to T5 terminal. Step 3. Switch. The red wire of the switch connect to T1 terminal and T3 terminal. After completing our circuit, remove the paper over the double side tape on all material and mount it on Vibro robot. And you can also mount it on other surface. When your Vibro robot is completed, you can put the Vibro robot on the sunlight. And you can also put the Vibro robot toward the sun and it's work properly. I hope you are enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.